If you are building a portfolio centered on generating passive income, pay close attention today. High-income ETFs have exploded recently, with some funds advertising yields of 15, 20, or even 30%. But a higher yield does not automatically mean a better fund. JP Morgan has just released a new ETF that could replace some popular funds on the market. They are finally embracing tax efficiency, a trend-changing dividend investing. So grab your coffee and let us break down why you might rethink your holdings. Let us start with the big elephants in the room, JEPQ and JEPY. JP Morgan launched those funds long before newer players like ENEOS or Goldman Sachs entered the space. Their major flaw is tax efficiency. When total return is mostly dividend distributions from options, that income is treated as non-qualified dividends. Non-qualified dividends are taxed at your ordinary income rate, which for many is around 20 to 30%. That tax bite can significantly reduce your real-world returns. For example, JEPQ returned 77% over 3 years, with 48% of that paid as dividends. If you invested £100,000 and sat in the 30% tax bracket, you would owe about £14,400 in taxes on those dividends. That reduces your real-world total return from 77% to about 62.6%. Modern high-income ETFs use a workaround called return of capital, or ROC. ROC returns a portion of your invested capital instead of taxable income. Because it is not classified as income, it is tax-deferred. If a fund yields 10% paid entirely, as our ROC, your adjusted cost basis falls and taxes are delayed. That deferral continues until your cost basis hits zero, and then long-term capital gains apply. Being able to defer taxes is a huge advantage if you rely on income today. Before we cover JP Morgan's, new ETFs let us talk diversification and resilient portfolios. Sometimes you want direct exposure to commodities, energy, or treasury yields. Our sponsor Plus 500 provides access to futures on oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin with microcontracts. They offer low commissions and operate in a regulated environment with no inactivity fees. Use the link in the description and fund with at least £300 to receive a £60 welcome credit. Now, to the main event. JP Morgan has launched ROCQ, the NASDAQ Equity Premium Income ETF. ROCQ is built to be tax efficient using the ROC strategy and has advantages over QQQI and JEPQ. It comes with an expense ratio of just 0.35%, which is materially lower than many peers. Over decades, even small fee differences can cost you hundreds of thousands of pounds. Because ROCQ uses JEPQ-style strategy, I expect a healthy yield in the 10 to 12% range. ROCQ is only a few weeks old, so it does not have an official yield yet. But the combination of tax efficiency, active management, and low fees makes it worth watching. Now, let us look at ROCQ's top holdings compared to the NASDAQ.